Got it here, Wobben X3 flashlight. So let's check this out. Whoa, that looks so unique and futuristic. So that's something new. Wobben X3. Looks like there's wireless charging right here, and there's a clip right here, so it can be clipped in onto the strap of a backpack. And we have a flashlight, so it's going to be hands-free flashlight. Ooh, it turns 180 over here. Where? Which way? It's pointed this way. Down. Ooh, oh my goodness, that is amazing. So now we have a regular flashlight. I never seen anything like that. And then we have right here lantern. They can stand. That's perfect. I can walk 180 and I can use it as like a regular flashlight. I can clip it in onto a cap, baseball hat, and have it like a hat flashlight. Just so many uses. I love it. Okay, what does it do? Let's check out the lumen real quick. 700 lumen on turbo, a high 150 lumen, and it's up to 2 hours runtime. Medium 50 lumen 6 hours, 1 lumen 50 hours. Beautiful strobe, SOS, and there's other options. That is cool. Okay, how do we turn it on? Whoa, it's locked. Lock, unlock, mood, press switch 4 times and it will lock it and unlock it. Okay, so there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, and let's unlock it. 1 lumen right now. Wow, there's blue lights to the side, so just press and hold, and there's different options. Ooh, it tells us the lumen. Double click. 700 lumen turbo. I love how there is power battery indicator as well. Level 3. Press and hold. 1 lumen. Beautiful. And 180. Which way? Boom. That's cool. I love it. That's so unique. I really love that transparent look to where we can see all the little details inside the flashlight. There's a coil of some sort and it's wireless charging. Okay, so there should be more stuff in here. Easy carry light innovation. Okay. Get that. Ooh, interesting. So this side here is actually a box to bring with us, and it can be set up this way. What's going on? Oh, I have to push it a little bit. Cool. Wow. And unlock it. It's like a protective case almost. That is so unique. And to recharge it, all I have to do is pull this out, USB-C. Ooh, look, it's a little power bank too, I guess. And there's a little hanger over here for the carabiner. Wow, that is so cool. Oh, there you go, that's an on and off button too. And yes, it is a power bank, it's charging. I love how compact it is too. And it can be used as a lantern as well. Boom, and we have a little lantern right here, I guess. Very bright flashlight. I love that. That is so unique. Never seen anything like that. One of a kind flashlight with a rotatable top. Make it really versatile. And charging too here. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this flashlight. I love new unique flashlights. This is definitely a very innovative one. Got right here another everyday carry gadget. Looks like there's beads in here. Found this one on Amazon. So it comes with a little lanyard rope, and first of all, very clicky, pretty satisfying. It's also a bottle opener. Lanyard can go on the back of the like a knife rope right here. And what else does it do? Comes with a bunch of beads. So it is also a pry bar, pry something open, a big screw driver for like a camera, tripods, things like that. There's a screwdriver bit will go in here. Another one. Does this pop out? Oh wow, this pop out all the way. So I guess we can put in one of these instead, so it can be replaced with the regular one of these screwdrivers. Tight fit in here too. There it is. Kind of like this better because it's pretty fidgety. So there it is, pry bar bottle opener. I wouldn't be able to cut to like box tape because it's not sharp edges at all. But yeah, very unique. Like keychain, lanyard, pry bar. Because we don't want to pry open paint cans with the knife, it will chip the knife. But if it's hanging on the back of the knife, that'll be easy to use to open a bottle or open a can. Love it. Got it here, another EDC gadget. Looks like comes with the utility blades. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Nice. There's a little utility blade. How do we lock it now? That is so unique. Takes me a minute to figure it out. Okay, it's gonna clicks and then spins. Okay, if I wanna flick it open, ooh, all it is right here. Pull forward lock. That's it. Does it opens? Nope. Open it and then twist it to lock it. Wow, that's a one of a kind locking mechanism. Push it forward. This is pretty like standard feel to lock it and unlock it. I would want to push it here and here to open it anyways, so it feels very natural to pull this way, especially opening it. To replace the blade, very simple. Looks like all we have to do is unscrew this, and this is why pry bar or big screwdriver come in handy really well. Let's open it, see what's in here. Wow, that's high quality. Okay, just remove it. That's it. Wow, nice. Very good, what do you call it? Very good clip right here, and that's it. Ooh, don't lose that. Okay, put it back on. Put the screw on. Wow, that is precision screw. Make it tight. Push it forward and then lock it. That's one of a kind. I love that mechanism. Boom. Very unique. I love unique one of a kind knife designs. This is definitely falls into my knife collection. Unique folding knives. I love this lighter right here. I had it for a couple of years sealed. It's a keychain lighter. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It doesn't have any sparkler. It just screw on, and it is brass, and there's a striker right here, and there's the little metal bar inside here and the wick, and all we have to do is just grab it this way and spark it, and we have a nice lighter flame. And it have been filled up for a very long time. It does not evaporate. It keeps the lighter fluid in there really well. Open it, super easy to put into here. Close it back up, and once again I need to spark it. In an emergency situation, if I'm out of gas anyway, I can still use this as a striker to get napkin going or whatever on fire. Beautiful. All I have to do is just snuff it this way. Really like that lighter a lot. One of a kind, but so unique and useful, and again, no vibration issue whatsoever. This is not a knife. This is a Microtech belt. Honestly, this is sells out so fast. It's only $150 belt. There's 2 buttons over here, and it just locks in, and its size. It has a Velcro. It can go up and down a little bit, but it's easy to like adjust it. But once it's plugged in, it's not supposed to be like adjustable. So that's why it's Comes in different sizes. This one is size 36. There's a Microtech logo, size 36, and it's just so awesome. Look at that in the back. It's almost like a tool belt and holsters, everything else. There's a Morpheon logo on here. Beautiful, very smooth, one of a kind belt, $150 belt, and this is nice. A lot of people buy them out quickly. It sold out at the Blade Show pretty much in one day. I got lucky to get 2 different sizes.